What you're seeing right here is me earning free Ethereum through this auto payout system. I'm doing nothing, I'm just letting this run and I'm earning free Ethereum. And this is going to keep earning me free Ethereum for the next 3 hours and 25 minutes as long as I keep it running. Free Bitcoin, free Ethereum, free Dogecoin, free Litecoin, and many, many more. What a lot of people don't realize is that all cryptocurrencies are free for the taking. You do not need to pay for cryptocurrency. And that's because all cryptos are part of what's called the blockchain, a worldwide network of computers working in conjunction to solve an algorithm to create these tokens, otherwise known as mining, and anybody and everybody is free to join in on this. Cryptocurrency is free. The only time you are asked to pay for cryptocurrency is on some sort of crypto exchange. If you don't have the knowledge or the equipment necessary to mine cryptocurrency, not to worry. There is another way to get free crypto, and that's through what's called Faucets. A crypto faucet is an app or website that distributes small amounts of cryptocurrency as a reward for completing simple tasks, such as completing quizzes, viewing ads, watching videos, or even completing CAPTCHAs. And while there are many different crypto faucets out there to choose from, this one in particular is called an auto faucet. And what that means is you do not have to complete any tasks. All you do is turn it on and collect your free crypto. As you can see right now, it's running and I'm now collecting free Dogecoin. This is completely free. This is available worldwide, and we've never talked about this before on this channel. All you're gonna do is come to this website, sign up for a free account, choose from any one of these 12 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Click on the orange lightning bolt right up here at the top and start racking up the cryptocurrency of your choice for absolutely free and for doing absolutely no work whatsoever. Welcome to Online Moneymaker, where we give you all the tips, tricks, and hacks that you need every single day to make money online from anywhere in the world. If you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button, like this video, drop us a comment down below. We're about to get into this right now. Make sure you pay close attention throughout the duration of this video because we're going to show you how to maximize your cryptocurrency earnings with this particular website, and we're also going to give you 2 bonus sites at the end of this video, so watch until the very end. First step is to head over to firefaucet.win. That's firefaucet.win. From here, you'll need to just go ahead and create your free account by entering your email address, your username, and a password. Then you've got to say you're not a robot, agree to the terms of service, create the account. They will ask you to go to your inbox and verify your account from your email. Now, unfortunately, with a lot of these crypto faucet sites, you have to deal with a lot of pop-ups. These are advertisements. This is actually how these websites make money because this is completely free for the user. However, they do need to make some money, so you got to deal with some of this stuff right here. You can just clear these out, but they'll keep popping up. Just a small price to pay to get this free crypto. Now, to turn on the auto faucet, you just need to scroll down here about halfway, and the first thing you need to do is select which cryptocurrency you want to obtain. Now, you can choose more than one at the same time, but I do not recommend that because you'll get less of the crypto of each cryptocurrency if you do that. And also, if you choose a lower value token, you'll get more. So I've got Dogecoin selected here. I would just push start auto faucet like this. And now we can see that it is running. And now we can see that this red bar has popped up. I do not have enough ACP for this auto claim. ACP stands for auto claim points. Now, when you first open up your account, you'll have about 800 auto claim points. So you can let this auto faucet run for several hours. The other thing you can do, which I definitely recommend, is you want to change the payout boost from 2 times. You want to change that to, I believe, 4 times right here, because you'll get 4 times the crypto if you do that. So you just want to save the setting. Now, back to these auto claim points, okay? I do not have enough auto claim points to continue. So let me show you what we got to do. Once you run out of your auto claim points, the ones that are given to you when you sign up, which I believe is around 800, there's multiple ways that you can go get more auto claim points. The number one is going to be these daily rewards. So you want to every day just check these rewards and see if you've got anything available to you. And I can see right now that as of today, I do not have anything available to me. That's because I need to go up in levels. And the more you're on this site, the quicker you will progress through the various levels, and then you'll have these daily rewards available to you up to, I believe, let's see here, yeah, a lot, like over 4,000, 5,050 of them. That will run the auto faucet for like 2 days. The other way to build up auto claim points is to complete tasks, and to do that you want to come right up here to the top and click down here on offer wall. So we want to click that, and then various tasks that we can complete will come up that pay us out in auto claim points. So for instance, you can click on ads, you can watch videos, you can play games, you can complete surveys. So let me just show you how some of these work. If we click on want ads right here, okay, a bunch of different things will come up that we can do, and they want us to open this up in a new tab, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So just by opening up want ads in a new tab, we can see that we've got multiple different high-paying tasks that we can complete, like signing up for sweepstakes, completing a survey, taking a quiz. So we can see that if we just take this survey right here, we get 32,000 auto claim points. Again, that will run the auto faucet for you for at least 3 days. So you just need to do one of these, complete it, get those auto claim points, and when those run out, come back and do another one. The rest of these don't pay out near enough auto claim points, so I would just stick with the want ads right here. Let me show you what I mean. If I click on Offer Daddy right here, and then I scroll down, we can see that the tasks that they're going to provide for us when it comes up, see, only like 660, 330, that's not very good. 16,500, that's good, but again, just stick with the want ads. Okay, now here's your first bonus tip. This is how you're gonna double your cryptocurrency earnings on firefaucet.win. The first thing you need to do is hit the like button for me. Thank you. Okay, the second thing is this is only gonna work if you're running this off the Google Chrome browser. So you need to have the Google Chrome browser downloaded to your computer. So you're gonna open up a regular tab, you'll already be logged into firefaucet.com, and then what you're gonna do is come up here to the right-hand side, click here, and you're gonna open up a new incognito window, okay? Now once you do this, and you type in Fire Faucet, okay, it's just gonna come up and it's gonna give you the login option again. So you watch this, there we go. So now we're just gonna log in again, okay, and open it back up. But here's the thing: you cannot be running the auto faucet with the same crypto at the same time. So what you need to do is choose like Dogecoin on one browser, on one tab, and then let's say Ethereum on another, and then you can run both at the same time. This works. Okay, now here's your bonus auto faucet site. You need to head over to autofaucet.duchycorp.space. That's autofaucet.duchycorp.space. And this is what the home page will look like. This is another auto faucet. Now, a lot of sites are called crypto faucets, but they're not auto faucets. That means you can't just run them and just leave it alone and just collect. This one's an auto faucet though, just like Fire Faucet. However, this one has 58 coins available and multiple different ways that you can earn. And you do start with 4,494 auto claim points. So all you got to do is just create your free account. Now you can run this on a regular tab and an incognito tab, and also do the same with Fire Faucet. Run Fire Faucet on a regular tab and also on an incognito tab. You've just quadrupled your cryptocurrency earnings for free for doing nothing. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker and hit the like button. Drop us a comment down below. We'll see you next time.